couple hours after giving a quick view of what I left on the floor here in my room, and I'm going to show you outside as well, and a couple of things that I didn't mention in my last video in regards to setting up to see if they do a good job when they're cleaning the room and the outside. Now you can see there's nothing here. They did do a sweep slash mop. They basically had the wet towel, so they kind of half swept, mopped. So they kind of did a quick little across the floor. They did okay in this area, and they came over here and they kind of did in this area here a little bit, and then here they did, because of this ceiling here where the vent is, that fell down, as I mentioned in the other video. It is now gone, so all that little debris is gone, okay? But then they came over here. You can see in the bathroom, actually, now this is a piece of something. I don't know what it is. Probably I don't know what it is, honestly. It could be from my cigar. There's also here, there's some pieces of something here. Probably potentially from my cigar, but I don't think so, because I didn't smoke in here. So there's a couple little items that they missed. They didn't clean the toilets at all. I know she didn't, because she was only in here less than a minute. Now, a couple things that I didn't say I want to mention. On there, I had a towel. That's gone. I had a towel sitting on the edge of this couch. It's gone. And they put up brand new towels here. A couple brand new towels here. This time they weren't rolled up, but they're here. Now, I want to come out to the outside here. I mentioned here, most of the debris is gone, the big pile that was there, but there is still a bunch of debris here that they completely missed. They did a half job. You can see the debris still left. Mind you, that little piece of paper, wadded up paper, is gone. You can see clearly they left some debris. They barely swept up here. They barely, like just bare bones, if that. They didn't even really sweep all that much here. Because over here, a bunch of debris. Looks like maybe tobacco or something there. I don't know. I'm not going to try to look. Now, down here, not very much was on the stairs, but they could have swept, but it wasn't done really that much. Though, I can tell you, let me just quickly look. Oh, wow. That might be it. Now, right there, let me go back to the side I originally showed. Right there is where I left a little small piece of my cigar, just to see if they had cleaned it up. In fact, I noticed right there is my cigar. So they clearly just swept it off, pushed it off. Now this gray stone, I left some debris here the other day, a couple days ago, that is still not swept up. This whole area here is not even touched whatsoever. They have not swept it at all in the week I've been here. This area, maybe half-assed swept, if they did. In fact, they probably didn't, because looking over here, there's some debris from the grassy area. Well, I'm looking over here. It looks not too bad. Maybe people didn't make a mess, so it's not bad.